The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. In a small village there lived a young boy. He was a very naughty lad. Every morning he had to take the sheep to graze in the meadows and bring them back safely in the evening. One day the boy decided to have some fun. "Wolf, Wolf!" he cried loudly. All the villagers rushed to his rescue armed with sticks. The boy was amused and roared with laughter. The villagers were angry. One of them said, "Someday when you will be in a real trouble, then no one would come to your rescue." And then one day the wolf actually made an appearance. The little boy was scared. He quickly climbed a tree and called out for help. Meanwhile, the wolf attacked the hut and killed many sheep. The little boy screamed for help, but none of the villagers came to help him. They thought it was one of his old pranks. When the wolf left, the little boy ran towards the villagers and related the sad incident to the villagers. The villagers rushed to the spot. Many sheep were killed. Then the village headman said, "I hope you have realized your mistake. Because of your prank, many villagers have lost their sheep. You must have learned a lesson. Never tell lies." The little boy was ashamed of his act. He promised never to tell lies. The moral of the story: nobody trusts a liar. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share. Bye bye.